Union Home is one of the fastest growing lenders in the TPO space.
Union Home mortgage culture is a home run. When I came here 12 years ago, it was because of the culture that Bill Cosgrove had laid.
When a broker chooses a wholesale lender, they're looking for product, they're looking for price, they're looking for technology, and we have all of those things. But I think what makes us a little bit different is we hire seasoned, experienced account executives and we empower them.
We're in growth mode. We've consistently increased our market share. I started off with no book of business, and UHM really gives us, the account executives, the tools on whatever we need to do to be successful.
My love of really talking to people and building those relationships throughout that has really put me to where I am today.
The door is always open, the phone line is always open, the emails are always open so that you can reach out to your underwriter, your closer. There's nobody who's off limits.
We do our darndest to get loans to close on time. We work really hard, we communicate well. You know, when I pick up the phone, many people still say, "I can't believe you answered the phone."
Leadership team here has assembled some very talented individuals. AEs are very knowledgeable, ops staff is amazing, everyone has great communication. You're never gonna be wondering what's happening to your file, where it's going.
We have the best operations, probably in the wholesale department. You have direct access to anybody that's involved in your transaction.
It's a team that truly wants to win. They're up for any challenge that we throw at them. Month after month, they're crushing their goals, and it's just fun. We're delivering things quickly and accurately, but always remembering that it is a people business, and we're not there just to help with one transaction, but to build a lasting relationship.
In addition to the extensive menu of products, really the tenure of the sales force. A lot of our AEs are 20 plus years experience.
Our mentality is there's a way always to get better, and I think that's what we work on perpetually here.
Union Home is playing offense. They're investing in the TPO space through technology, through artificial intelligence, through new product, and that will continue to help us spur our growth.
Union Home is on a path to be in the top 5, and we're going to make the top 25 first. And so there's a lot of excitement, and so if you're driven and want to be innovative, I would say come work for Union Home.
It's really exciting to be with a company that wants to be at the top.
The future is bright, and I think that, you know, we are going to be a force to be reckoned with.
People and process are the only thing that matters at this company, and if you put that first, then everything's going to fall into place.